Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb.
Look at this. It is a comb of fish.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently
Look at
about,
this.
patiently
It is a
about,
koi fish.
and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so?
Look at this.
Why does
It
the
is a
lamb
jaguar
love
cichlid
Mary
fish.
so? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a comb of fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a comb of fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Bye bye.